Hi, September 20th, 2022, day 98 at Shine Academy of Languages, Arts and Sciences. We're recording another English poem with April today, and it's called
Kindness to Animals. Little children never give pain to things that feel relief. Let the gentle robin come for the crumbs you save at home. As his meat you so alone, he'll repay you with a song. Never hear the timid hare peeping from her green grass lair. Let her come and sport and play on the lawn at close of day. Let the lark go soaring high to the bright windows of the sky, singing as to always spring and fluttering on untired wing. Oh, let him sing his happy song, nor do these gentle creatures wrong.
Thank you.